Morning to all. My name is Revati and I am from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology. My topic is from partial differentiation and its applications. Introduction to ellipsoid. An ellipsoid is a three-dimensional geometric shape that resembles an elongated sphere. It is defined by its semi-principal axis, which determine its shape and size. Understanding the properties of ellipsoids is crucial for solving optimization problems involving inscribed shapes. Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. In this case, we find out maxima and minima value function of three variables, that is f of x comma y comma z, which depending on the sum relations. Therefore, by using Lagrange's function of undetermined multipliers can be defined. F of x comma y comma z is equals to f of x comma y comma z plus lambda pi into x comma y comma z, where f of x comma y comma z is a given function. Pi of x comma y comma z is a given relation. Lambda is an undetermined multiplier. Similarly, if you write n relations, we can find out n multipliers. Problem on Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Find the volume of the greatest rectangular parallelopipe that is inscribed into the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equals to 1. Solution. Let us consider 2x, 2y and 2z are the length, breadth and height of the three dimensions of a rectangular parallelopipe. Therefore, the volume of the rectangular parallelopipe v of x, y, z is equals to 2x into 2y into 2z. v of x, y, z is equals to 8xyz. Consider this equation as 1. Given that ellipsoid is equals to x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equals to 1, where pi of x y z is equals to x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 2. From the Lagrange's function, v of x y z is equals to v of x y z plus lambda pi into x y z. This implies 8xyz is equals to 8xyz plus lambda into x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1. Consider this equation as 3. Differentiating equation 3 with respect to x y z on both sides. Dou v by dou x equals to 0. 8yz plus 2 lambda x by a square equals to 0. Consider this equation as 4. Dou v by dou y equals to 0. 8xz plus 2 lambda y by b square equals to 0. This is equation 5. Dou v by dou y equals to 0. 8xy plus 2 lambda z by c square equals to 0. This is equation 5. From equation 4, 5 and 6, 8yz equals to minus 2 lambda x by a square. 4yz is equals to minus lambda x by a square. 8 a square yz by x equals to minus lambda by 4. 8xz is equals to minus 2 lambda y by b square. 4xz is equals to minus lambda y by b square. B square xz by y equals to minus lambda by 4. 8xy equals to minus 2 lambda z by c square. 4xy is equals to minus lambda z by c square. C square xy by z is equals to minus lambda by 4. A square yz by x equals to b square xz by y equals to c square xy by z equals to minus lambda by 4. This is equation 7. Equation 4 and from equation 4 and 5, a square yz by x equals to b square xz by y. A square y square is equals to b square x square. X square by a square equals to y square by b square. From equation 5 and 6, b square xz by y equals to c square xy by z. B square z square is equals to c square y square. Z square by c square is equals to y square by b square. X square by a square equals to y square by b square equals to z square by c square. This is equation equals to minus lambda by 4. This is equation 8. From equation 2, x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 equals to 0. Minus lambda by 4 minus lambda by 4 minus lambda by 4 minus 1 equals to 0. Minus 3 lambda minus 4 equals to 0. Lambda is equals to minus 4 by 3. From equation 8, x square by a square is equals to minus lambda by 4. X square by a square is equals to minus of minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 4. X square by a square equals to 1 by 3. X square is equals to a square by 3. X is equals to a by root 3. Y square by b square equals to minus lambda by 4. Y square by b square is equals to minus of minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 4. Y square by b square is equals to 1 by 3. Y is equals to b by root 3. Z square by c square is equals to minus lambda by 4. Z square by c square is equals to minus of minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 4. Z square by c square is equals to 1 by 3. Z square is equals to c square by 3. Z is equals to c by root 3. From equation 1, v of x comma y comma z is equals to 8xyz. v of x comma y comma z is equals to 8 into a by root 3 into b by root 3 into c by root 3. v of x comma y comma z is equals to 8abc by 3 root 3. Conclusion. The volume of the greatest rectangular parallelepiped that inscribed into the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equals to 1 is 8abc by 3 root 3. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.